Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are an expatriate in Qatar and you have been thinking about bringing your family over to join you are in the right place. Today we are going to break down everything you need to know about the Qatar Family Residence Visa, from the requirements, the process and fees, all the way to what to do if things don't go as planned. Don't worry, we are going to make it easy to understand. Let's start in. Well, it's special visa that allows expatriates who live and work in Qatar to bring their immediate family members like their spouse and children to live with them in the country for an extended period. That means no more long distance family life. Whether you are planning to stay for a while or just want your family with you during your time in Qatar, this visa makes it possible. So what do you need to qualify for a family residence visa? Here are the main points you need to check off. You must already have a valid Qatar ID or residence card before applying for the visa. If you are inviting your spouse and children, you need to show an attested marriage certificate and an attested children's certificate. Only expatriates with specialized or high-paying jobs can apply. If you are earning less than 10,000 Qatari Riyal, you might not be eligible unless your employer provides accommodation. Speaking of earning, you need to have a monthly salary between 10 to 15,000 Qatari Riyal. But here's the good news. If you get free accommodation from your employer, you could still qualify for a lower salary between 7 to 10,000 Qatari Riyal. The only exception is for children. Your son needs to be under 18 and your daughter needs to be single. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? But let's get into the process of actually applying for the visa. The application process is pretty easy these days. Here's what you will need to do. Apply for a family entry visa. This is the step. You can either do this online or go to the immigration office directly. Medical test and fingerprints. After your family enters Qatar, they will need to pass a medical exam and provide their fingerprints. Don't worry, it's all part of the process to make sure everyone is healthy and clear to live in Qatar. Apply for the residence permit card. Once things cleared, you will apply for an actual residence card. But here's applying through metrash. Makes it so much easier. Let's go apply through the step of using this app. So how do you apply using metrash? Download the metrash app on your phone. Log in and click on the visa icon. Select the family residence application option. Fill out the required details, things like names, relationship, status and more. Upload your all supporting documents. Make sure they are clear and in JPG format, not PDF. Once everything looks good, click next and confirm your submission. After submitting, you will get an application number and your status will show as an under process. Once approved, you can pay the visa fee of 200 Qatari Riyal and your family is ready to join you in Qatar. Now sometimes things don't go as planned and your family visa might be rejected. But don't panic, here's what you do if that happens. Check the rejection reason. You can always visit the immigration office to ask why it was rejected. Understand the reason helps you improve your next application. Reapply. If you think rejection was mistake, you can always try again. Get some help. If you are feeling stuck, you can talk a visa consultant or the immigration office for assistance. Once the issue are sorted out, you should get an appointment for a quick meeting or finalize things. And once your visa is approved, you will get it in about 2 business days. Now let's talk about the medical test and fingerprints. Both are the part of process. Once your family arrives, the medical test checks for any health issues like tuberculosis or hepatitis. It's a standard procedure, don't worry, it's quick and easy. For fingerprints, you will need to head to the Qatar Visa Center, where they will collect biometric data from your family members. Don't forget to bring things like passport copies, photos and your blood group report. They will cost around 30 to 50 Qatari Riyal. After everything's processed, you will move on to the next step. Finally, the family residence permit card. This is the last step where you will officially receive your family residence card. To do this, gather all the documents we have talked about, like the medical certificate, proof of accommodation and your employment contract. You will submit everything to the Ministry of Interior, either online or in person. Once everything's approved, you will pay the remaining fees and your family will be all set to live in Qatar. That's everything you need to know about applying for a Qatar Family Residence Visa. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more information about Qatar. Thanks for watching.